ragaceel tuwayna iyo rumaga reediisa reer nuur duglo roob u da'ay reeda mari mayno reer guulano roob u da'ay reeda mari mayno.
Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate. She get a taste. Let you get a taste.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, meesha naga daawanaysan waa Liban official media YouTube. Welcome everyone. Yeah, today we challenge me and my friend. We challenge it. Yes, a teacher has some my language. Language kegaa baraya idana ma aragtay keeda ay baraysaa. Yeah, marka waa arkayna. Hello.
Hello.
Say hello, my friend.
Hello.
No.
Yes, I want to ask you something. Only I need you teach me 5 language. Right? English ka wiga si dumayo. Yes, 5 language. Okay. I teach you my language first, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Garob matay. Garob.
Garub.
Garob.
Garub.
Matay.
Matai. Garub matai.
No, it's not me. Not me. No, I said to you, Garob matay. Okay, say to me.
Garub matai.
Yes, thank you. Say to me, are you Mursala? No. Say to me, what's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Liban. With a D. Okay, I want to ask you some question. Magaa. Yes, say to me, Magaa.
Maga.
Okay. I am Somali. Say to me, Somalian.
Somalianai.
Somali and I.
Somalianai.
Yes. Nice one. Okay, you teach me.
Okay.
All right.
What do you want to know? What?
Anything.
Are you married?
I am single. Half single, half marriage.
Are you married?
Half single, half marriage.
Okay. All right. What is your name?
My name is Liban. Double D. Yeah. Wanu botena ya habadan hadar ya. Ana kasaya talo. Ya mursada rinjadi so mursada miya. Okay.
No.
Have you been America before?
No.
You never not been America.
No. Never been America.
How long are you here in UK? Long time. Are you born here? Yeah. I am born Somalia. Hafad the Hulwadak. Madino Geskeda. Hulwadak. You understand?
No.
I born Mogadishu, Somalia. You know Somalia?
Yeah. How old was you when you came here?
I was so young, like Bipsy. I was so young. I am come here.
No.
Like
Baby.
I was 8 days only. 8 days.
8 days old.
Sidet Bribanjas.
So you've been here since you're 8 days old?
Yes. Yes. You understand?
Yeah.
I am happy today you would hear. You teach me English.
Yeah.
Because every day if you teach me English, I am flying like airplane. You understand?
Yeah.
Almost bang digaya. Yeah. Khatar bang iskaga digaya. Okay. Me night time I was a tool. Morning I am short. How come I don't know?
No.
Because you're so happy. Always happy like this. Yeah.
Always.
Ben badana aniga wacbiisa ka waran. Yeah. Parafoon baa maaragtay. Isku buufinaya nin lacag la baan iskaga dhigaya. Yeah.